When it comes to winter, I'm all about hearty soups and stews. And this is a fantastic hearty soup, which I call mushroom cheeseburger soup. There's lots of ground meat in there. There's shiitake mushrooms. There is cream cheese and cheddar cheese. It's all melted in there and made it delicious and nice and hearty. That's how it tastes. That. That is hot. That's also quite delicious. Yeah. Oh, it's fantastic. Yeah. That's a cheeseburger in a bowl. All right. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now because, hey, it is quite easy to make. Now, here are the ingredients you need for making this mushroom cheeseburger soup. Well, first of all, this is the ground meat. And in this case, I'm using, again, a mixture of beef and pork. You can just use beef, you can use pork. I've got here 1 pound of ground meat, or 450 grams. I've got here 4 ounces, or 110 grams of cheddar cheese grated. I've got 4 ounces, or 110 grams of cream cheese. I have here about 8-9 shiitake mushrooms, sliced about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, or about 3 to 5 millimeters thick. 1 onion minced, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, not the Dijonnaise, the Dijon, the straight mustard, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And here, what we've got here is, this is 2 15-ounce cans of chicken stock. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to get the butter going here in a large pot. Bring that up on medium heat. Get that butter melting. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be adding in the onion. All right, the butter is melted. The onion's going in. Gonna cook that onion, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes, just enough so that it gets soft. That's been a little under 5 minutes. It's been stirring the onions every once in a while. They're getting softened up. What I want to do now is, while those are finishing up, I want to get this meat ready. So I've got the ground meat. I'm going to throw the flour in there, the salt, and the pepper. Now I just want to work it into the ground meat. So using my favorite plastic spatula or little rubber spatula, this guy here, I'm just going to cut that in and distribute it around a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything, but I just want to distribute it around. We'll distribute it more when we're mixing it up into there. All right, that's looking pretty good. So, what I'm gonna do now, toss that in with the onions. Make sure we get that all in there. And then, stir that in. This is where we're gonna make sure we get the rest of that flour and salt and pepper mixed in too, and get the onions mixed in with the ground meat. And now what I wanna do is, for the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna cook this 10 minutes on medium heat, stirring it occasionally. I just want to brown up make this like browned up hamburger meat. And then in will go more ingredients. So, I'll see you back here in about 10 minutes. All right, so that's been browning. You see it's nicely browned in there. About 10 minutes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to toss in the shiitake mushrooms. Stir in there. I want to toss in the Dijon mustard, and then in goes the chicken stock. I would like to go just about half, just deglaze that bottom of any hamburger that got browned onto the bottom. Just kind of go around and scrape it off. And all that's good flavorings that we want in our soup. There we go. That's looking good. In goes the rest of it. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simmer this for 15 minutes. Alright, get that up to a simmer. We're going to put the lid on it, simmer it away slowly for 15 minutes, and then we're going to put in the cream cheese, and finally we end up with the cheddar cheese. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Alright, that's been simmering in there for about 15 minutes. What I'm going to do now, take the lid off. Ooh, looks absolutely fantastic. Let's see if we get a good shot of that. Look at that. Just delicious. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to take the cream cheese and mix it in there and mix it around in there. We're still on the heat. Keep it on medium heat. Actually, bring that back up a little bit again. And I'm going to mix that around until the cream cheese has dissolved into the soup. It's going to slowly whiten it up a little bit, get a bit creamy. Alright, so I basically dissolved the cream cheese into the soup. Now it's got, let's say, I'm just going to lighten it up, made it creamy. So, next thing to do is in goes the cheddar cheese. And I just want to mix this around just enough to melt the cheddar cheese. So I've got that in there. I'm going to turn that heat off now because that's going to stay hot. Look at this, bubbling hot. Stir that around a bit. And that's basically done it. It's all melted in there. There might be little threads of cheese. That's fine. You want it like that. You just want that cheese flavor in there. Right, this is ready to serve. So enjoy mushroom cheeseburger soup. It's a great winter dish. Now if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Soup and Stew Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy mushroom cheeseburger soup and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.